Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to go ahead and unbox this power bundle that I picked up for $100 on sale at T-Mobile. So again, before I open it, it has the wireless charging pad on it, has the portable charger and the car charger. So there's your car charger. Here is your 5100 portable charger. And here is your wireless charging pad. They give you an extra wall mount, which is awesome. And something else that's awesome is they do, says it on the box, include your USB-C cable, your C connector. So this one is for your fast charge portable charger. You got your white one here for your wireless charging pad, and they give you a car charging cable as well. So for $100, all right, this is a pretty good deal for this amount of stuff. All right, so here's everything laid out for you. Pretty good deal. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, MotoAK47. Have a good rest of your night. Peace.